Hey friends, if you wish to install OpenSSH client on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Now in the right pane, scroll down and select Optional Features. Click on View Features and then search for SSH or OpenSSH. Does it exist here? Click on this option. If it exists, then you do not need to install it, and the better way of finding it out is when you check it, there will be an option to remove it. Now if you had to install it, okay, for the sake of this example, I will remove it and then we will install it once again. So it is removed now. So if it did not exist here, then click on View Features and select View Available Features. Now search for SSH. Select the OpenSSH client and then select Add. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.